This is how you can earn passive income in the metaverse. Hello everybody, my name is Sanad and welcome to another episode of The Clever Millionaire. Before we get started, I would appreciate it if you smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Also check out the links in the description box below for some free crypto. Also don't forget to check out the Webull link in the description box below. Webull is having an amazing promotion for the month of April. All you have to do is click on the link below, create an account, and you will get 2 free stocks worth anywhere between $300 to $300. And then if you make a deposit, it can be as low as 1 penny. You will get an additional 3 free stocks worth between $7,000 and $3,000. This, in my opinion, is one of the best promotions that Webull has done so far. But it is only for the month of April. So make sure you check out the Webull link below. Get your 5 free stocks worth up to $9,600. And now let's jump straight into the video. As you guys know, the metaverse is taking over. It is currently the hottest thing in crypto. And the metaverse provides a ton of different ways to make money. Also, you'll be able to buy NFTs that you can use in the metaverse. You'll be able to buy land in the metaverse itself. A lot of big companies, a lot of big institutions are also jumping on the metaverse play. In my opinion, the metaverse is definitely here to stay. We are still in the early stages. The future looks very bright for the metaverse. Over the last 6 months, the metaverse has become very popular with crypto investors, also crypto enthusiasts. Everyone sees the potential that the metaverse can provide. Everyone is seeing dollar signs when it comes to the metaverse. But being completely honest, the metaverse does provide an amazing opportunity, first off, to make a ton of money and to make passive income. But obviously, it comes with a lot of risk. There's a ton of different metaverse plays out there right now, and new metaverse projects are coming out daily. 99% of these projects are not going to make it, but the few that do make it, they will be the ones to make you life-changing money. And now let's talk about the first way that you can start making passive income in the metaverse, and that is by becoming a landlord. As you guys know, I am a landlord and I do own rental properties, but I absolutely love the passive income that they provide. So when I heard you can do the same thing in the metaverse to earn passive income, I got super excited and I started learning more about it. But the concept is pretty much the same. All you have to do is purchase some land in the metaverse and then rent it out. You can purchase land by itself. You can build buildings and rent out the buildings for concerts, for gatherings, for public events, and then you'll be able to make some passive income. Also, there's very little information out there on how much money people are actually making renting out land and buildings in the metaverse. This whole concept is pretty new and there's not a lot of information about it. But in my opinion, that provides the perfect opportunity to make a ton of money. The sooner you get in on the metaverse plays, the more money you'll be able to make. People that make millions and millions of dollars and they make their life-changing money are the same people that are willing to take the risk while everyone else is sitting on the sidelines. Right now, this is brand new, and all the people that take the risk, in my opinion, are going to be well off in the long term. This is still the beginning of something special. Here are some building examples that you can rent out in the metaverse to make passive income. You can build an arena and rent it out to people that want to have metaverse parties. Great way to make money. You can also create a store where you can have actual products displayed in that store in the metaverse. You can also create stadiums for sporting events. Literally, there are a ton of different ways to make money in the metaverse. One other way to make money in the metaverse is by creating virtual games inside of it. For example, you can become a casino owner where people will pretty much go inside of your casino, use real crypto to play, and then you can make money that way. In my opinion, this does require a ton of work and a little bit of marketing to get everything going. But once you do, you can definitely make a ton of money in the process. For example, you'll be able to create slot machines in the metaverse. You'll be able to create poker tables. You'll be able to create sports betting. Literally, the opportunities are endless. Obviously, you got to do your own research. You got to figure out how to make everything work in order to make that massive money. But in my opinion, the opportunities are endless. The metaverse, in my opinion, is going to be the world 2.0 when everything is said and done. And there's going to be a lot of people spending countless hours every single day inside of the metaverse. Before, everyone had their heads glued to the newspaper. Now everyone is stuck on their phones. Soon everyone will be inside of the metaverse. Also, in the metaverse, you'll be able to monetize your location. The way you can do this is by putting up billboards. So if you have a plot of land that is very popular, that gets a lot of traffic, a lot of attention, you can pretty much charge companies, charge influencers, charge promoters to promote on your billboards. This, in my opinion, is a great way to make some passive income. Two of the biggest metaverses right now are the Sandbox and Decentraland, but more are popping up every single day. The way I will personally play this is by purchasing land in the Sandbox and in Decentraland, simply because these two are the big dogs. They're blue chip, and I believe they're here to stay, and I believe they're going to perform extremely well in the long term. But I will definitely keep my eye out on new metaverse plays. Don't get me wrong, a ton of them are going to fail. They're going to flop. They're going to take your money. You're never going to see them again. But the few that do make it, they're going to make you a ton of money. And the earlier you get in, the more money you can potentially make. The reality is, yeah, it is definitely risky, but it also provides a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to get in on something real early to make that life-changing money. In my opinion, the risk is definitely worth it. Obviously, none of this is financial advice, so make sure to do your own research and most importantly, do what is right for your portfolio. And as always, guys, if you have any questions, drop them in the comment section below. Make sure to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, check out the links in the description box below. Don't forget to check out the Webull link. You'll be able to get up to 5 free stocks. And all you have to do is sign up, get 2 free stocks, deposit 1 penny, and get an additional 3 free stocks. This Webull offer is only good in the month of April. So definitely do not miss out and get your free stocks. Like, follow, see you in the next video. Peace.